Hi, in today's video, we are going to discuss about migration assessment components in reference to the Microsoft Dynamics application. As we all know, Microsoft Dynamics is an CRM application which will be used in regular intervals when we are working on CRM processes, all that. Whenever there are migrations taken place, especially on Dynamics platform, there are some components which normally we use where there are some steps even to understand, because when we are moving towards online from an on-premise solutions, because regular legacy applications and on-premise solutions we are using in regular intervals. From on-premise solutions and all, we are moving towards agile environment, online process, cloud level, cloud environment, all that. There are some migration assessments which has to be understandable to the people, followed by the kind of components which are involved in it. So when you're trying to understand about the migration process of Microsoft Dynamics, so these are the different migration process we need to understand. The first one about assessment initiation, followed by functional review, technical review, and upgrading assessment summary. Now, when we are trying to understand assessment initiation, where whatever the initial meeting we are going to understand from the customer by understanding the scope of the aspect, followed by this whatever the assessment goals we have, right? So sharing all the assessment goals and all everything will also be a part of it. At the same time, we need to understand the access of the systems, followed by the kind of model store exports, whatever we have. At the same time, we need to initiate the migration approach from an on-premises to the online cloud environment, where the assessment of initiation is one of the key element which has to be focused. So once assessment initiation is done, next is functional review, where we have to assess the capabilities as well as the enhancements against the existing features what are already existing in the application. At the same time, we need to have a complete understanding over the high-level business process review, what it has. At the same time, we need to know about the recommendations. What are the recommendations do we have, all that. At the same time, functional assessment reports, etc. All these are relating to the functional review part. Next, about technical review, right? So technical review focuses on the customization, whatever the customization we are made. So that customization is what we normally do, whatever the customization is required. So because depends on the kind of business rules as well as the government mandates, there are some customizations which has to be made in regular intervals. So we need to be focused more on the customization part as well. Along with customization, we need to have an understanding over code refactoring, like the layers relating to the code refactoring interfaces. At the same time, report modifications, technical assessments, all these things comes under the technical review. Last but not least, we are talking about upgrading assessment summary, where, when, and how this migration process has to initiate, has to start. At the same time, we must be knowing about the current deployment analysis from the customer perspective, followed by recommending the best transition approaches based on the requirement as well as the requirements of the customer by considering that. At the same time, there must be some proposed timelines which we have to be focused on. Proposed timelines are also one of the key and prominent element, because timelines are more important for any project to work with, right? So proposed timelines, all that. Along with this, what are the resources that are needed for a customer when there is an implementation of transformation will be taken place, followed by standard migration tools, benefits of the versions. So all these things are the migration assessment components, especially on Dynamics, one has to understand. So when there is a migration of the applications, whenever we do, when there is a migration process of applications from legacy systems to the new applications we are migrating on. So these are the assessment components, being people who are involving in integration or this transformation approach and legacy applications, all that from legacy to the online cloud applications or something like from on-premise to online cloud. So these are the steps we have to be considered and we need to keep into an account. This is what all about this video. If you have any questions, if you have any queries in regard to that, please reach out to the contact details, which will be posted in below to this video. Thank you.